Today, we're making a perfect breakfast combo, halwa puri and chana. Let's get started. First, let's make suji halwa. Add 1.5 cups semolina to a bowl. Now pour in 1 cup water and mix well. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Heat 1/2 cup clarified butter in a pan. Now add 1 cup sugar and mix well until it melts. Add soaked semolina and stir continuously on low heat, just like you should continuously like, subscribe, and share for more amazing recipes. Pour in 1 cup milk slowly, stirring well to avoid lumps. Add 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder for that rich aroma. Mix in some raisins for extra sweetness. Finally, add 1 tablespoon clarified butter for a glossy, smooth texture. Garnish with dry fruits, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy this warm, delicious suji halwa. Now let's make crispy and fluffy puri. First, add 1 cup all-purpose flour to a bowl. Then add 1 cup wheat flour. Now add 1 pinch baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Next, add 4 tablespoons oil and mix everything well. Gradually add 1 cup water and knead it into a smooth dough. Now, divide the dough into small portions to shape the puris. Heat oil in a pan and fry each puri until golden and puffed. And there you have it, perfect crispy puris. Now let's make flavorful and spicy chana. First, take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons graham flour, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, Now add a little water and mix well to form a smooth paste. Half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 pinch food color, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons coriander powder. Add chop 1/2 cup boiled chickpeas and mix until they are well coated. Now pour in 1/2 cups water and stir well. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon moringa powder, 'Next, add half roughly chopped onion, half roughly chopped tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves, and half cup tamarind pulp. Mix everything properly. Let it cook until the gravy thickens and flavors blend beautifully. Hope you liked all 3 delicious recipes. Try them at home and enjoy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing recipes.